Hello, kids! This is Teacher Heidi, your online learning buddy. Today, we're going to practice reading short stories with comprehension check. Are you ready? Let's start. The Turtle and the Rabbit. A rabbit once laughed at a turtle for being slow. "You will never win a race," said the rabbit proudly. The turtle calmly challenged the rabbit to a race. The rabbit agreed, feeling sure that he would win. As the race began, the rabbit ran far ahead. Feeling confident, he stopped to rest and soon fell asleep. The turtle kept moving forward, one slow step at a time. Without stopping, he reached the finish line first. When the rabbit woke up, it was too late. The turtle had already won the race. Moral of the story: slow and steady effort leads success. And now, it's your turn to read, children. And now, let's answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why did the rabbit laugh at the turtle? A. The turtle was quiet. B. The turtle was slow. C. The turtle was small. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is B. The turtle was slow. Question number 2. What did the turtle suggest to the rabbit? A. To be friends. B. To have a race. C. To take a walk. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is B. To have a race. Question number 3. Why did the rabbit stop running? A. He felt confident and slept. B. He was tired. C. He was hungry. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is A. He felt confident and slept. Question number 4. How did the turtle win the race? A. He ran very fast. B. He kept going without stopping. C. He cheated. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is B. He kept going without stopping. Question number 5. What is the main lesson of the story? A. Patience and perseverance bring success. B. Speed is always best. C. Sleeping is important. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is A. Patience and perseverance bring success. The dog and the bone. One afternoon, a dog found a large, juicy bone. He was very happy and carried it in his mouth as he walked home. On the way, the dog crossed a bridge over a clean river. When he looked down into the water, he saw his own reflection. The dog thought it was another dog holding a bigger bone. Wanting more, he barked at the other dog. As soon as he opened his mouth, his bone fell into the river and sank. The dog searched, but the bone was gone. He walked away sadly, realizing that his greed made him lose what he already had. Moral of the story: greed can make you lose what you already have. And now, it's your turn to read, children. And now, let's answer the following questions. Question number 1. What did the dog find at the beginning of the story? A. A fish. B. A stick. C. A bone. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is C. A bone. Question number 2. Where did the dog see his reflection? A. In a mirror. B. In the river. C. On the bridge. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is B. In the river. Question number 3. Why did the dog bark? A. He wanted the other bone. B. He was angry. C. He wanted help. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is A. He wanted the other bone. Question number 4. What happened when the dog barked? A. The bone broke. B. The bone became bigger. C. The bone fell into the river. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is C. The bone fell into the river. Question number 5. What lesson does the story teach? A. Do not be greedy. B. Be brave. C. Always bark loudly. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is A. Do not be greedy. Thank you for watching, kids. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless everyone.